What if I told you, your personal blender might be failing at the one thing it's designed for, making perfect single-serve smoothies? We tested 18 top models with frozen fruit, ice, and tough greens, measuring power, consistency, and convenience, and the results will shock anyone with a busy lifestyle. One popular model left chunks and struggled to blend, while our number 3 delivered barista-smooth results in under 30 seconds. If you want a no-fuss, powerful personal blender, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. NutriBullet Blender. For a basic personal blender that will provide your daily smoothie/health shake and nothing else, consider the classic, oft-imitated NutriBullet. For the price, wattage, and functionality, you won't find anything better. Fast, simple, and very transportable, the NutriBullet is designed with busy people in mind. While it only has a 250-watt motor, it's strong enough to handle frozen fruit and most other ingredients, as long as you include an appropriate amount of liquid. Throughout testing, the NutriBullet produced some of the silkiest smoothies with the least fuss. The cylindrical shape makes it a breeze to clean, with no crevices for food to hide in. Also, the NutriBullet runs without you holding the button down, which is a major convenience. Number 2. NutriBullet Pro Blender. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is an upgrade in size and power from the basic NutriBullet. Whether you're making a smoothie for yourself or to share with others, the blending cup certainly has enough room. There's no on button, you just place the blending cup on top of the motor base, and twist it to lock. It takes about the same amount of time to make a smoothie as the NutriBullet, and the texture was smooth with no visible lumps. It's also exceptionally stable while doing its job. Some blenders shift around during blending, but we didn't have to hold down this blender to keep it in one place. Number 3. Ninja Fit Blender. Ninja's most basic blender, the Fit was our original favorite. Its size and power are perfectly balanced in a Goldilocks-style sweet spot. We were impressed by its speed and strength when whipping up perfectly smooth fruit smoothies, and by the relatively low noise level of its 700-watt motor. While the blender's design isn't visually stunning, its black and silver base is sleek, unassuming, and small and light enough to easily store away. The blender's containers have measurement marks and are similarly sleek and perfectly transportable. They even come with tight travel lids. The Fit requires users to hold the container down or use the pulse method while blending, but this precaution works to prevent motor burnout and means the blender will last longer than many of its counterparts. It's so fast, you might not even notice. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro 1000 Blender. The NutriBullet Pro 1000 is the newer, more powerful version of the NutriBullet Pro 900. Its performance is a slight improvement over its predecessor, but not enough to top our list. Its main advantage is how easy it is to use this blender. Just plug it in and twist the blending cup to lock it in place. It's powerful enough to make a smoothie with no visible chunks of fruit, but it also doesn't have any additional settings. It has 2 blending cup sizes that also include to-go lids. Despite its relatively high wattage, it's one of the quietest blenders we've tested. Its size may be great for people with limited kitchen space. However, it's difficult to hand wash because the blending cup is small and the base is narrow. The good news is, the blending cup and to-go lids can be popped into the dishwasher, just be sure to use the top rack. Number 5. Our Place Splendor Blender. In classic Our Place fashion, the Splendor blender is designed with aesthetics in mind, available in several of the brand's popular colorways. It's also marketed as a powerful personal blender, thanks to its 1000-watt motor and ultra-sharp blades. During testing we were able to confirm the power of this machine, as it powered through nutty romesco sauce and blended through fibrous greens and frozen fruit with ease. We also love its spacious capacity for a personal-sized blender, and the wide mouth that allowed for even cycling during blending. However, we noticed the base migrating across our countertop while it was in use, meaning we couldn't leave it on its own as it blended. It also struggled to crush ice evenly, and the motor was very loud while in use. So which personal blender will become your daily sidekick? Pour your thoughts into the comments. If this smoothie-saving review simplified your routine, blend that like button, it helps us test more. Want more single-serve tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing portable blenders. All our top picks are linked below. Blend and go!